Hi friends, welcome back to my session, and in this session we are going to learn about variables. So what is the purpose of variables? How we are going to use the variables in Jenkins? Everything we are going to discuss in this session. Okay. Right now I just logged into my AWS account. Right now I have one running EC2 instance that is nothing but Jenkins server. First of all, if I want to access the Jenkins page, how I will be able to connect? With the help of the public IP. Just copy the public IP and here paste it. And what is the port number of Jenkins? 8080. Enter. It is asking username and password. The username is devtester and the password is, as I said, password. I'm going to enter the password which I had configured. Then you will be able to log on into the Jenkins. Go to dashboard. Just check whether you have any running jobs. No. Okay. Fine. So coming to variables, where we are going to use variables. So what is variable? Variable is nothing but we are going to declare once and we are going to use multiple times in the script. Means instead of using the repeated things, we are going to declare once and we are going to use multiple times. How many types of variables in Jenkins? There are three kinds of variables are available in the Jenkins. What are those? Here, if you think about the variables are local variable. In the name itself suggests the variables which are created locally that will be applied to that particular job where I had created the variables. Suppose if I had two jobs, job 1 and job 2. If I had declared the variables in the job 1, that will be applicable to the job 1 only. It will not be applicable to the job 2. That will be called as local variable. And coming to the global variable, in the name itself suggests it will be valid for all the jobs. Means once I had declared the global variables, then whatever the jobs which are running, the variables will be applied to the all the jobs. Okay. Here, one more thing, Jenkins variables. What do you mean by Jenkins variables? By default, Jenkins will provide some variables to us. So whenever we are going to use the parameter, whenever we are going to use those variables, automatically you will get the expected output. Okay. Here what total we have three variables. One is local variable, second one is global variable, and the third one is Jenkins variable. Okay. We are going to perform the lab activity on each variable session, and then you will get the better understanding how the variable we are going to use in the Jenkins. Without wasting time, just I'm going to create one job. So because of if I want to perform any task, what's the thing I need to done? I need to create a job. Without job, I am not supposed to do any task. So for that purpose, I'm going to create. Uh, right now the topic is variable. So I'm going to create the variable job. VARABLE. I'm going to click on freestyle. Okay. Then the job will be created. Once the job has been created, then we can be able to perform the task on that particular job. Fine. So right now I'm not going to use the source code management tool Git. I'm going to use the shell command. So go to the build step and here execute shell. Select the execute shell. Okay, fine. Here instead of typing, I just already typed here. I'm going to mention here. Just copy the same. Here, paste it. Here what I had done here. Here while executing this command shell, here I am going to declare the variables. The name is Sunil and profession is IT, company is MNC. Suppose what is the purpose of echo? It is used to print the statement. Here if I print this, what will happen? My name is dollar. Dollar indicates variable. Always whenever you find dollar, it indicates the variable. Here what is the name? What is the reference? Name is Sunil. Okay, here what it will print? My name is Sunil and I am from what is dollar profession. Here what is the profession? IT. Here it will print I am from IT, currently working in dollar company. What is the company? It's MNC. how many times you can use, that many times it will print. Okay, otherwise if you want to print some other statement also, echo my name is dollar flower bracket open name. Otherwise you can mention company. Instead of putting the name is, I'm going to company. Okay, close it. So simply I'm going to execute this. Save. First of all, you just need to save. Okay, and check. Build now. Then it is going to build. It has been succeeded. If you check the output, you will be able to see the output which has been generated. Yes. Here what is been? My name is Sunil and I am working from IT, currently working in MNC. Echo my name is MNC. Is that printed? Whatever the variables which I had defined, it is print accordingly. Na? So this is the beautiness of variables. But here it is a local variable. Why? Because here if you go to the variable job, here where I had defined inside of the job, I had defined locally. Means whatever the things, whatever the variables which I had declared, it is limited to this particular job only. But if I am going to create new job, job 2 freestyle, okay. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, execute shell, and what the commitment here, just copy the same, and here I didn't declare anything, any local variables here. I'm simply directly mentioning echo my name is dollar name profession company. Save, bill now. Check what will happen. It is succeeded, but it will not print the thing. Here what is saying? My name is empty and I'm working from empty. Currently I'm working in some empty. It is not displayed the actual information which I am looking for, because of here I didn't declare any local variable. So that is not, so that is why it is not reflected here. In the job one, if I executed the same command, it is printing the things whatever which I had defined in the variables, the same thing will be reflected here. But whenever I had executed the job 2, it is not displayed here because of, for job, for the for the job 1, it is local. We had already defined the local variables. So that's why it is not, that's why it is replicated there and it is not replicated here. Okay, hope you guys understand about what is local variables. Here we have the Jenkins variables. Suppose I'm going to the dashboard and open the variable job and configure. Without declaring the local variables, I just want to execute this command, but I just need to print the things which I am going to declare here. It will be applicable to the both jobs. How I can be able to do that? I'm going to show to you how it will be done. Go to dashboard. Here we have the two jobs, variable and job 2. Go to manage Jenkins. Here I will show to you how to use the global variables. Go to system, where we can configure the multiple things which are required for our project purpose. Here if you go down, 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 here you find the global properties. In the global properties, just click on environment variables. Here in the list of variables, add. How can you add? Here, what is the name? Name Sunil. Here I'm going to mention name Sunil. Add. Furtherly, profession IT. profession IT add. What the further thing is? Company MNC. Company MNC. Okay, just click on save. So right now I had configured the global variables. So if any job executed with the variables which I had declared in the global variables, then it will automatically fetch the value of that particular variable in this particular job. So right now, as I didn't declare any local variables in both variable job at the same time in job 2, but whenever I'm going to execute, just click on build now. If you want to see again, just go to configure. Did I mention any local variables here? No. Just go to build now and you will see the output. Here it is displaying. My name is Sunil and I'm working from IT, currently in MNC. Okay, is it succeeded or not? Yes. The same thing we can do for the job 2 as well. There also I didn't declare any local variables. Go to no. Go to job 2, build. Yes, successfully built done. Right now, will you be able to see the expected output? Is it displaying the exact output? My name is Sunil, which I had declared in the global variable, and I am from IT and currently working in MNC. So here with the global variables, once we declare any kind of variables in the as a global variable, then it will be applicable to the all the jobs which are running in the Jenkins server. Okay, and we just have a look on it regarding Jenkins variable. By default, Jenkins is supposed to provide some kind of variables like suppose I want to show means Jenkins. What is Jenkins variables? The variables which are given by Jenkins are called Jenkins variables. Okay, and right now I am going to the job 2. Otherwise, I am going to variable job. I am going to modify. Go to configure where you have the option to modify the content on your job. So go here. So earlier this is there now. So just delete each and everything, and here you can print like this. So here I'm going to build echo. This build number is build underscore number, and the job is dollar job underscore name. Okay. Had I declared anything? So as I not declared the build underscore number value as a local variable or a global variable, but if I run this automatically, I will be able to get the build number as well as the job name. So whether I will be able to get or not, just we will have a look. Just click on save and click on build number. Yes, the third build has been succeeded. Just check whether the console output has been succeeded or not. Here you will be able to see now the build number is and the job name is. In this way, here it is not. So we just need to. So in this way, we can be able to use the Jenkins variable as well. Okay, go to variables, job which I had created, and so just go to dashboard. Here, go to manage Jenkins, go to system, Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. So here it is not there. So no worries. We can discuss on later. And go to dashboard again. Suppose I'm going to create one new job. The job name is job 3 freestyle job. Okay. So here my requirement is I'm going to run the build. But while performing the task, I need some time gap between the two tasks. Okay. How I can be achieved? So here build action, select execute shell. The first option is touch file 1. Enter sleep 30. Enter touch file 2. Means here while executing this, I need to create a 30 seconds gap between the file creation of 1 and 2. So with the help of the sleep, I will be able to get a 30 seconds gap between these two file creations. Okay. If you want to check the same, just save and build now. Then here you will be able to see the build is running. It will wait for 30 seconds. Yes, the file 1 has been created and the sleep 30 is going. Once the 30 seconds time has been successfully completed, it will be able to create the file 2. In this way, we will be able to create the time gap between the tasks in the same file. When I executed the, yes, had you observed this? Right now the touch file 2 has been created. Finally, the build has been succeeded. Okay. If I want to add the timestamp, how I will be do that? So go to job 2, configure, and here we have the option in build environment, add timestamp to the console output. Just click on save. Again, I am going to build. Just open it. Open the console output. Have to check the timestamp along with it. So right now, what exact time is 8:25:30. So you will see if you want to add the timestamp. So just go to build triggers, build environment, and click on the option add timestamp. So here you will get the exact time on which time exactly what the step is going on. So in this way you will get the timestamp as well. Okay. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this session. I'm done with these topics. So we will meet up in the next session with the new topic. And one more request, do not forget to subscribe my channel and please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Whenever I had uploaded the new videos, automatically you will get a notification. And at the same time, do not forget subscribe and share with your friends as well. And thank you for joining into my session. I will meet up you with the new topic in the next session. Until signing off, thank you. Bye bye.